Hey YouTubers, Rob Moffat. Guys, today we got maybe the nerdiest video I've ever done, and I've done a few over the years on YouTube. Today we're talking about timers. Specifically going to review this timer by Taylor. I've used timers over the years for many things. I've used them on ships, on small boats, and the workshop, in manufacturing, and the laboratory, and in the kitchen too. They're really handy devices. This is one of my favorites. I still carry around with me. It's from Switzerland. It's a analog manual timer to 30 or 60 minutes. They don't make them anymore. It evidently is stainless steel inside because I've had it in the washing machine a couple times. This is my old favorite stopwatch, last calibrated 1996. This is a very decent Lux timer. It goes in seconds and minutes, up to like 90 minutes. AA battery, AAA batteries. But my latest one that I like a lot is this 4-function timer. Let's focus in on this sucker. Now, the reason I like it so much is because it has 4 different functions or events, and you can go up to 24 hours. You have an hour button, a minute button, for obvious reasons, an event button, which controls each time you want to have. And then you have a stop button. It also is a stopwatch, like it's a countdown timer. Like we have the event for the first one. We press the button and it'll count down to 24 hours. When it gets to 24 hours, it won't beep and it'll start over again. But you can monitor how long a certain thing has been going on. So you stop it by the start-stop button. If you want to erase it, you press both buttons down. If you want to erase all of the functions or events, you press all of the 3 of these buttons down at the same time, if everything was off. Now, to use it as a timer, we'll go to the second one. We'll go for 1 minute. Now, you can't do seconds, unfortunately, but if you wanted to do like 9 minutes and 45 seconds, what you would do is you would just go to, let's say 10 minutes, and then start it, and let it go down to 9 minutes and 45 seconds and stop. And then anytime you wanted to measure that amount, you would just press your start button. And it's also handy. It's got a little whiteboard with a dry erase marker. You can have different things that's going on, baking cookies or launching a rocket or invading Poland. Who put that in there? That's not for today. It's got AAA batteries in the back. It comes with AAA batteries, which was impressive. And it has 2 magnets that are kind of small, and they don't stick to the refrigerator as well as some people would like, although I haven't had any problem. It has the little stand-up feature. I like also, this is going to go off the alarm now, you hear now, wait. Notice how it's beeping twice because that's a second event. Now we'll stop it. Now when you stop it, it tells you how many seconds have gone since the 1 minute or the time you set has passed. Then you press it again, it'll go back to the original time you had set. If you want to start again with that same time, you just press the button a 3rd time and it goes back to 1 minute again. Now I like also the fact that when you press the button, it'll beep once, but then as it advances you no longer hear the beep. So that can be annoying. See, it's going up to however many minutes I want, but it's not making the beeping sound. We'll erase that. So it's got 4 functions. It counts down or counts up. It's very handy. I like the fact that you also can write on the board to see what is associated with that time in case you forgot. And it also has the 4 different types of beeps to let you know. So this was like $10. If it lasts, it's going to be a bargain. It's still a bargain, but you don't want to buy something that breaks in 6 months. I have no idea. I've only had it for a short time. But these, I think, are going to be much better than like the dollar store variety you get for $1 and they break a few months later. So I hope this is something that was interesting to you. I know it's going to be a viral video. You want to be able to tell people when you watched the video and there was only 12 viewers. You remember when. So I'll leave a link in the video description. This is something, if you work in a shop, or let's say you're self-employed and you're doing work for someone, you have to keep track of the amount of time you spent on your project for each person or each category and so on. It's a very handy way. Also, the beeps are loud enough to hear throughout the house. So I found it to be a very handy timer, although I am kind of biased toward timers. Alright guys, I hope that was something helpful for you. I put on new videos every week. Been doing it for almost 13 years. Got over 800 videos. That's my Mimo timer from Switzerland. And I put stuff on new every week. And got a bunch of cool playlists too you might want to check out. Alright guys, I'm rambling. Take care. Hope you like this video. Something helpful for you. And check this out. Take care. See you later.